Hello and welcome back to Ben W's channel. I think it's been a while, as you guys know, it's been quite a while since I last uploaded my last video. I think about a year ago already. And as you guys know, I've mostly been reviewing diecast cards, but today I'll be reviewing something interesting. And it will be this Zukuri Projekt BBSLM. I think if you guys have been active through Instagram or through the Diecast community, you've seen that there are a lot of folks out there who are wheel swapping their cars, be it for personalization, to improve their looks, or perhaps to even make their car OEM or stock. Or sometimes perhaps the stock wheels themselves or the manufacturer wheels might not even be that great. So today we'll be reviewing these wheels. Basically, I bought these wheels in Indonesia from Zukuri Projekt for about I think 160,000 rupiah. That's about 15 Singapore dollars in Singapore. So yeah, it is quite expensive for these wheels, but it is this wheel is full resin. So this is it. So as you can see, it comes in a quite a neat packaging in a styrofoam kind of package. Alright, we'll take the wheels out one by one. As you can see from a glimpse, they are extremely sharp and detailed. So this is the front. Okay, I'll just take one for a sample for to get a close-up view. Okay, so generally this is it. I'll zoom in slightly. Alright. Wow, this thing is super duper detailed. So you can if you look closely, you can even see the pattern of the disc brakes itself. And you can see the right calipers at the back as well. Another amazing feature you might want to pay attention to will be these tire markings at the side. You see it gives all the details. It is extremely detailed, including the manufacturer details and all available on tires. So this will be the back view of the tire. I mean each tire I think will be about the same. Yeah, it's the same for each tire. Here you can see this will be the tire treads and tire markings, which is also extremely well done and extremely detailed and precisely done. Even the chrome paint itself is wonderfully done and crafted as well. So let's just look at the other models. Alright, these two have the same design. As you can see, the brakes itself are of the same design. But if you look closely for the other one, this is the other pair. You've got a slightly different design for this pair, for this one. I think this will be the same as the other one. Yeah, so we've got two of each design. One of them will feature this one with dots in the middle, while this one will feature a slightly different design. Both are just as great though, but perhaps I believe this pair is either going to be for front or back, whichever you're gonna use it for. It doesn't really matter. While yeah, this will be good to go for the other side. So overall, I have to say for $15, it is not bad at all. Sure, it may be expensive. I think if you're in Indonesia, perhaps the price of the pre-order price for Mini GT and this wheel will be about the same price. Considering I bought this for about 160k rupiah, that's about the same price as a Mini GT being open for pre-order. So I'll get right away to the fitment and let's see how well it looks on our car. So for this fitment, I'll be testing this out on an Inno64 Austria Endgame R34. As you can see, I customized this as well with the seat belts in the middle as well, in the chairs. I have spray painted the center of the seats with red, including some of the door panels as well. And as you can see here, I've also used Acetone to remove the side decals. Also a brilliant casting by Inno64, and you can check out my other review on this video. I'll put it up here in on the video link. So let's get right to the fitment and let's see how well it will fare for this one. So for this fitment, by the way, these rims from the Zukuri project, they are all you have to use a blue tack for them. You can't use axle. None of them are rolling. They're all non-rolling wheels. So although you see this thing in the center, that's not quite meant for the axle. I'm not sure. I'm not too sure either what it's there for, but perhaps someone who knows in the comments could share below. So anyways, let's get right to it. Yeah, alright, this should be okay for the front. Yeah, I think this is looking good already. Okay, now let's do the back wheels as well, and let's see. Okay, perhaps for the back, I'm going to make the brakes facing the back as well, just for some variation. So this is it. This is our final wheel swap product, and I think it looks exceptionally wonderful. I mean, it's simply beautiful with the new BBS wheels. It is way better than the previous OEM wheels. Absolutely wonderful. So this is how it will look from the back with the new fitment and new wheels. Yeah, I'll zoom out slightly. Alright, there we go. So you can have a look for yourself. I think it's simply a huge upgrade. A huge upgrade. So that's our final wheel swap product. And I think that's it for today's video. Thanks to all who have watched, and thanks to all who have stopped by. I will see you all in the next video. Thank you.